Welcome to the presentation on solving quadratic equations by completing the square. Let's say we have the equation x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0. To solve this equation by completing the square, we need to subtract 8 over to the right side of our equation. By doing that, we get x squared plus 6x equals negative 8. Now, to get a perfect square trinomial on the left side of our equation, we need to add half the coefficient of the middle term squared to both sides of our equation. So the coefficient of our middle term in this case is 6. Half of that is 3. So 3 squared is 9. So we just add 9 to both sides of our equation. That gives us x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 1. Now we can just factor the left side of our equation, which is x plus 3 times x plus 3, which is the same thing as x plus 3 squared equals 1. Now we can just take the square root of both sides of our equation, and we get x plus 3 equals plus or minus the square root of 1. Now we can just subtract 3 over to the right side of our equation, and we get x equals negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 1. Now the square root of 1 is 1, so we have negative 3 plus or minus 1. Okay, so negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2, and negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. And there we go. X equals negative 2 or negative 4.